Here we are, sandblasting the sawmill now. Yeah, we're giving it a good sandblast because, man, it's bad. So anyway, after he's done sandblasting, I'll make another video so you can see. This is what I have to do. Anyway, I'm very dissatisfied with wooden sawmills. It's real cheap metal, what they make these sawmills out of. I'm trying to salvage as much as I can. Trying to do the best that we can. But man, this thing corrodes real bad. Real bad. As you can see, everything's corroded. Anyway, even the back of the machine, there's got corrosion everywhere. All over the place. I'm very disappointed with wooden sawmills. I mean, honestly, if I would buy another one, I would never buy it from them ever again. Never again. So, who's ever interested in purchasing these sawmills, think about it before you do. I prefer to go with another dealer like Wood Miser or Northern Woods. Those are the sawmills. These guys, cheap, real cheap. Anyway, later guys.